Do you want the shortcut on how to apply for both Medicare Part A and B? In this video, I'm going to show you what the shortcut is to save yourself time. It makes me sad when people book appointments with Social Security or wait on the phone for hours for them to maybe or maybe not help them. But the reality is, for most of you, there is an easier way to apply for Medicare Part A and B. So in this video, let's give you that shortcut. I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, an independent consultant helping our clients easily navigate both the Medicare government rules, but also the insurance company options to do what's right for you to protect your healthcare rights, but also your hard-earned retirement savings. And if you want more resources for shortcuts to Medicare, check out the comment section below. So, how do you apply for Medicare Part A and B in the easy way? Now, number one, if you were drawing Social Security 4 months before your 65th birthday, you should be auto-enrolled in both Medicare Part A and B. So no action is required to get that, but there are other steps required to get you on Medicare for the other coverage. So for those of you not drawing Social Security before 65, I don't necessarily want you to have to deal with Social Security. So the trick is this: if you are applying for Medicare Part A and B, you can do it online in most cases. All you have to do is to log into your ssa.gov account. And you can do this up to 3 months before your 65th birthday month. So if your birthday is in, say, June, then you can apply as early as March 1st, right? March, April, May, and then your birthday is June, okay? So once that 3-month window before your 65th birthday opens, if you log into ssa.gov and you scroll to the bottom, you should see a button that says Start Your Medicare Application. Now, there's another way to get to this link if your ssa.gov account is not updated, but for most of you, you should be able to go into your ssa.gov account to access this information. So you're going to click the button and fill out a few things. What is your name? Do you want to apply for Medicare benefits? And they're going to specifically ask you, do you want to apply for Medicare Part A and or B? So depending on your case, you will select the right option. The next kind of tricky question is around your group health insurance plan. If you're leaving a group health plan and you're just fully joining Medicare, your answer to that question will be no, you have no other group health insurance options. If there's a chance that you might say yes to that question, it could be a red flag to look further, as double paying for both Medicare and an employer plan can be a waste of money. My point is this: for most of you, you can go onto your ssa.gov account, submit the application, fill out the application, submit it, and it should take less than 15 minutes if you know what to look for, okay? Now, there are a couple of you who, though, cannot apply for Medicare online, at least Medicare Part A and B online, and you should go into your local Social Security office. And there's two main scenarios that we see. Number one is for those of you who don't have your own 40 quarters to qualify for Medicare on your own, and rather you're qualifying for Medicare through a spouse. In that case, you usually have to go to your local Social Security office, or at least contact Social Security to get the enrollment done, okay? Number two, for those of you who have had an identity theft issue, your identity stolen, you tend to have to go to Social Security as well. But for the rest of you, you should be able to apply for Medicare Part A and B online through your ssa.gov account. Now, the approvals can take a few weeks to get done, and so I do recommend that you apply for Medicare 3 months before you want it to begin. There's a few caveats to that, but apply in advance is really my point, because it can take a while to get the approvals done. But the online system for this can be helpful to, again, skip the lines of Social Security and be able to do it from the comfort of your home in just a few minutes. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Otherwise, let us know your questions in the comments below, and we look forward to helping you easily make your right Medicare decision.